What's up, guys? Dave with Fix It for Fun. Behind me is my excavator. We're going to be doing some undercarriage work. First thing we got to do though is clean it up. So come on, let's get it pressure washed. So this is not the first time I've ever done undercarriage work on this machine. I've had it about 15 years, and when I purchased it, the chains were shot and I didn't know it. Well, I found out shortly after buying it. I broke the links, and that was the end of that for a while. A local company was able to source new chains for me. They did it reluctantly. It was a pain in their butt because it's not a major brand, but they were able to find them. They weren't quite perfect. The pads didn't fit. The bolt holes didn't line up. Luckily, I worked in a machine shop full time, so I was able to use some resources and make them fit. Save myself a bunch of money. But it's been a great machine other than that. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We're going to be replacing some rollers and some wear plates. I've never seen them like this. Usually they're upper rollers, but they're wear plates on this machine. So we've got some bad rollers. Well guys, we got it picked up. I'm going to take the slack off the chain. It should go down. Should. There we go. Okay. Now all we're going to do all right, so we can see there's what we're replacing. These have been replaced. They were completely shot. I replaced them with normal, just cold roll steel, and this is about 20 hours worth of work, so they're not holding up very well. So I got some AR 500 ones, so we're going to replace them. Here's what we're working on. As you can see, that roller's seen better days. Okay, we got both sides of that done. There's a pile of parts. As I said, some of these we're going to be able to re-weld up. We'll weld these two surfaces and then turn them down, but some of them are just completely lost causes. So